Hello everyone, hi dosto. I am again back with the new tips and tricks for you all. Okay, so if you like my video, then please like, share, and comment. And also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because in my YouTube channel you will find so many different types of videos like Excel, then also the mathematics playlist, or you can say that programming in C playlist. Okay, so now in our today's tricks, I'm going to show you a Google logo. Okay, that is the history of Google logo. So what exactly you have to type is Google logo, and then you have to write history. Okay, and just you have to press enter. So you will find one slideshow here. That is this part I'm talking about. Okay, so here it is one of 7 minutes what that September 2015. This is nothing but the Google logo. Then you just have to click on next button. Then September 2013 Google logo. Then May 2010. Then May 1999. Then after that September 1998. Then 38 August that 1998, and then initial that is 1998. So here you all can see properly about the history of Google logo. Okay, thank you.